Yo, good morning, you guys. Six Figures Day. Today is Monday. It is currently 9:46 in the morning. I woke up like probably 30 to 40 minutes ago. I took my vitamins, my creatine, and I had overnight oats carrot cake for breakfast. It's Monday, and today we're off. The reason why we're off, let me show you guys real quick. You guys probably watched my video yesterday, but if you guys know, you know. Yep. Oh, it's so bright. It is still snowing outside. Our front entrance is covered in like 12 inches of snow. But today, I don't think, like, in my honest opinion, guys, I don't think we'll go to work probably till like Thursday. I hope they just cancel all week, but the hottest it will be today is like 25 degrees, 26, and that's still hella cold. The sun will literally go out in probably 6 hours, 7 hours. And then the thing is, when the snow melts underneath, it's gonna get cold as shit tomorrow, or in the like late at night, like 5 degrees, and it will just freeze over again. So that's what causes black ice. But other than that, focus, bruh. I'm about to hit my my gym apartment again, like yesterday. I'm just gonna try my best to hit my exercises and try to like get a good pump in. Yesterday I didn't really have a good pump because I just wasn't really feeling it. I don't know why. And yeah, I'm gonna get ready right now. I'm gonna catch you guys at the gym. Probably do some talking while I walk to the gym, but we'll see, bro. Kind of tired. Not tired, but like I just been in my apartment all day because of the snow trapped me in, but let's get it. Alright, y'all, I'm outside now. Trying to get to the apartment gym, or gym apartment. Yeah, dude, it's pretty bad outside still. The whole area is covered in snow, dude. But yesterday, these steps weren't even showing. That's how bad it was. Oh shit. Dude, this shit's thick. But this shit's thick. But guess what? The snow ain't gonna stop me from working out, bro. Maybe it'll stop me going to my gym, but like my other gym that I go to. But this gym, my apartment gym, nah, I'm still going. Locked in, bro. Locked in. But I'll catch you guys over there. I'm freaking freezing right now. Let's get it. I made it to the gym. Y'all haven't seen my gym yet. This is what it is: treadmill, dumbbells, and then elliptical, and then the big ass cable machine where I could probably hit most of my things except legs. Tomorrow's leg day, so yes, I'm thinking about driving to the gym in the snow, but we shall see what happens. But other than that, we're about to do. My feet are wet, but we're about to go ahead and work out. What's that noise? But yeah, today we got shoulder and arms, so today will be fairly easy. Let's get this shit, brother. My face look dry. What the heck?
Someday we'll be someone alive. You can't control the outcome of this fight. No need someone hold me. I need to get out of this. I'll fly high, and I won't hide no smile. It's time to live this life.
I just got done doing the bicycle. Bro, I'm freaking tired, I'm not gonna lie. 35 minutes of cardio session done. I did abs, I did cable crunches, and then I did the leg raises, but this cable machine is like kind of low, so the leg raises I just picked up using my knees. But yeah, I'm exhausted, bro. Also, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go to work tomorrow because the snow is still like pretty cold outside and whatnot. So hopefully it's canceled. I think it's gonna be canceled till Thursday. Hey, I might be wrong, but we shall see. It's an iPad on this wall. Oh, what the frick? That's pretty cool. But that'll be it for this video. Short video. I'm literally trapped in my apartment, so there's really nothing for me to talk about. Later on today, after this, I'm gonna get a protein shake or drink protein shake, and then probably eat lunch later, probably chicken and rice and veggies. After that, I gotta do my college assignment, and then probably play games till the end of the day. I'm gonna talk to my wife on FaceTime, obviously. But other than that, that'll be it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you guys like this video. Yeah, 6 Figures A out.